Hi, this is Dr. Bev Knox from BevKnox.com, and I am continuing my mini-series on happiness and positive psychology. I've got my computer right here. I'm going to read to you part of an article that I wrote on positive psychology. And you could follow along with me because this article is actually posted in my archive for articles on BevKnox.com and also BevKnoxFabulous.com. All right? So, according to research, there are many ways that a person can become happier. One way that this can be accomplished is through kindness. Yes, this is scientific research, folks, okay? Through kindness. An article on the science of self-help states that now listen to this. This article is scientific proof in regards to what I'm about to say, okay? An article on the science of self-help states that one of the most reliable ways to feel good is to do good for others. Happier people tend to act more kindly towards others in general because why? Because they are content with their place in life. There is something also that is called the feel good, do good phenomenon. Do good, feel good, do good. It's actual scientific proof that we actually do good for others. We do more good for others when we feel good. Okay? I did my whole dissertation on feeling good, and I found out that there is a direct correlation between looking good and feeling good. Yes, my whole business is about style and psychology, the fusion of style and psychology. Why? Because scientific research after scientific research proves the way to happiness is by doing good for others. And if you feel good about yourself, you're more likely to do good for others. And how do you feel good about yourself? By having a higher self-esteem. And one way of having a higher level of self-esteem and feeling good about yourself is directly correlated to looking good. So thus my concept of what? Look good, feel good equals attract good. Be fabulous. The key is have pride in how you look, which will equate to how you feel about yourself, which will help you do good for others. But like this research says, and I'm going to read it again because it's so important. According to research, there are many ways that a person can become happier. And one way this can be accomplished is through kindness. So I advise you to look fabulous, feel fabulous, attract fabulous, and do many, many, many acts of random kindness to others. This is Dr. Bev Knox for BevKnox.com, encouraging you to look fabulous, feel fabulous, and do fabulous things for others.